Hello guys, my name is Aftab and today's video I'm going to show you how to deploy Nginx web server on an Ubuntu machine using Ansible Playbook. So for this we need up and running Ansible server, root access with target machine and internet connectivity. So here I have already Ansible server. So I'm going to take a login and let me check the Ansible ping with my target machine. So I am able to ping and I am good to start the follow the tutorial as per the blog. So in the first step we need to create a Ansible playbook. So we need to just execute this command nano nginx playbook.yaml, and after that we need to just copy and paste the task, and what it will do, it will connect with your host which is Nginx server, and it will update the repository, install the Nginx package and restart, and then it reloaded. Just save it, and what we need to do, just update our host group name. So I'm using Ansible default host, so I need to open with vim sudo vim /etc ansible host, and here I need to put nginx. It's look good, and then try again to connect with host machine. So there's commands ansible all -m then ping. Let's see it is able to connect or not. It is connected, and right now we are good to deploy Ansible playbook using this command Ansible playbook nginx playbook.yaml. So whatever we have the task, so it's going to execute one by one. So we can see that it is already running and it is currently updating the repository and now installing the nginx package. And it's completed now. Deployment got completed. Let's verify our nginx server it is working or not. Just open the new browser and open with your public IP. So it is working fine, nginx. So I hope you will like this video, and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.